Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 7th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily time frame, the euro was definitely very strong yesterday. Nice little push up. That doesn't really prove to me that this is a complete trend reversal and that it's just going to keep on going up like this. We don't know that that is the case. It definitely could just end up being a pullback to this last wave down. So we want to put our Fibonacci retracement on this move down, see if we can identify a three-way pullback, or see if it does continue to maintain impulsive movement to the upside or not on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on the 1 hour from here to here, because if this really is going to form like a pullback, then more than likely it's going to end up forming like a three-way pullback, maybe something along these lines. If it does form a three-way pullback to one of these daily time frame Fibonacci levels and then make a reversal, that is likely a sign to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, right now, probably the thing to be focused on is trying to identify the end of this three-way pullback, which is why we put our Fibonacci retracement from here to here. We can keep an eye on our fib levels. Potentially, we want to see three ways down to a fib level and then a reversal to the upside, possibly for either a C, which would look like this, or possibly a 3, which would just maintain impulsive movement to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.